Okay. So there's the card. Merry Christmas.
Oh, good season.
Oh, gee, thanks. Okay. I feel like we should do like an intro. Wow. Let me focus. Okay, there we go. Hi guys, we just want to say thanks for whatever this is before we open it, and then I'll say thanks afterwards, and Derek will too. This looks like something you want. Okay. Help me, she thinks it's cute. Oh my gosh. I think you guys won on cutest card. That's awesome. I'm so... No way, we gotta go there again! Awesome! Okay, so that's the itinerary. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so, oh, then we're going to the Hilton. Wait. So we're going to Honolulu, then Wailea. Whoa. We're going all over the island. Let's see. Okay, so Phoenix to LA, LA to Kauai. Is that? We'll go with that. Okay. Let's see. Whoa. So we're flying back. And how do we get to Kailua and then Honolulu?
No, this is the way back. That's the way there.
Oh. Haha. I know I married you for a reason. Wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna look Hawaiian. Let's see if it works. Do I look hot?
That's in the back of it.
Oh.
Okay.
That one? Now I'm ready to hula.
Not yet.
Okay. Now I get a hula. Oh, but I need like the coconut boobs. Oh, and you get a hula skirt too. Aren't you so cute?